Day 1 to 30. 1. The silence discipline. Every morning you sit in silence for 15 minutes. No phone, no music, no talking. Your mind will feel restless. You will want to escape the quiet. That discomfort is the training. You build control over your attention. You stop reacting and start choosing how you think. 2. The body first rule. Before checking your phone, you move your body for 10 minutes. Push-ups, squats, a fast walk. It feels annoying. You will want comfort first. You act anyway. You train yourself to start the day with action. You become someone who doesn't negotiate with laziness. 3. The clean speech challenge. You stop exaggerating, lying, and people-pleasing. You speak clearly and directly. It feels risky. You will fear disapproval. You hold the line. Your self-respect grows. Your words gain weight. You stop betraying yourself for comfort. Day 30 to 60. 1. The hard task first rule. Every day you complete your hardest task before noon. No warm-ups, no delays. It feels heavy. Your brain will resist. That resistance is discipline forming. You build self-trust. You become someone who moves toward pressure instead of away from it. 2. The discomfort exposure rule. You do one uncomfortable thing daily, a hard conversation, a bold request, a delayed pleasure. Anxiety rises. Your chest tightens. You stay with it. Your nervous system rewires. Fear loses authority over your decisions. 3. The boundary challenge. You say no to one thing daily that drains your energy. Weak commitments, time-wasting habits. Guilt will show up. Let it pass. You train self-leadership. Your life starts obeying your standards. Day 60 to 90. 1. The focus block. You work 45 minutes daily on one long-term goal. No multitasking, no notifications. It feels slow and lonely. That's where growth lives. You build patience. You become someone who finishes what he starts. 2. The execution rule. You complete one meaningful task fully every day. No half-finished work. No excuses. It feels tedious. You want shortcuts. You don't take them. Your confidence rises from proof, not motivation. 3. The identity mirror. Each night you write one sentence. Today I acted like a man who... and finish it honestly. Some days will sting. That's accountability without excuses. You close the gap between who you are and who you respect. Day 90 to 100. 1. The integrity rule. You keep every promise you make to yourself, small or big. If you say you'll do it, you do it. Some days you won't feel like it. That's the point. Your identity shifts. You become a man who trusts his own word. 2. The solitude walk. You take a 20-minute walk alone every day. No phone, no music, just your thoughts. It feels boring. Your mind will try to escape. You stay present. Mental clutter clears. Clarity returns. Your decisions become calm and precise. 3. The commitment test. You review everything you started and finish one thing you've been avoiding. It feels heavy. You will want to quit. You don't. You prove to yourself that you are not the same man who started. Start today, not next week, not when it feels right. Real change is built when no one is watching. Commit to these 100 days. And if you want more discipline like this in your life, stay here. Subscribe and walk this path with me. Then comment, my day 1 is today.